As you can see, we're starting off with quite a bit here, so now we're just going to go through and start perfecting it. Let's get to it. As you can see right here, Alden is starting to pack down the landing for the drop, and next we're going to go through and to the jump and make a landing, make it a little bit prettier. Alright, so now what we're doing is we got the landing for the drop done, we rebuilt the lip for that jump, so now we're building a landing. And as you can see, we're using rocks and logs. That's the base. I don't know if the base of this is logs, but as you can see, it is rocks on the back. So we're just going around getting a bunch of logs, taking rocks from where we're getting dirt, all the big ones, and filling it in. So we'll keep building this up till we have a decent landing, and yeah, we're doing pretty good. It looks professional. Not that bad. Let's get to it. So here's the landing for our gap. The gap we measured is about 6 to 7 feet. Just going through, pounding it, making it strong so that we don't ruin it. So this is our final product. We have our drop. There's the drop landing. We have the lip for our 6 to 7 foot gap. Pretty good. And we have our landing. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.